You can instantly tell when a design was built with intention, and framing is usually the reason why. Today, how to create cinematic collage layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Start by inserting a wide rectangular frame and place your main image inside, adjusting the crop carefully for a cinematic feel. Add 2 smaller frames nearby in different sizes to create a storytelling composition. Duplicate the main frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create soft layered depth. Select the background and apply a dark gradient or muted neutral tone. Add subtle blur overlays and shadow effects to enhance atmosphere without making the design heavy. Use position tool